Always welcome back again to James Garage, and what you are seeing, this is an Fj45. It was an Fj40 that we converted to Fj45, and we are in the middle of converting it. The cab has been done, the rear trunk has been done, but it's not completed yet. We need to do a little bit more modifications. So I'll show you the concept that we are making. So this is the concept and this is the progress right now. So now I'll tell you what we are doing today. So because we are starting to work on it again, and it has been standing for some time, so it caught some rust. So now what we are doing is that we are cleaning it up with the help of a grinder brush. So this side has been almost cleaned up, the front has been cleaned, the rear is left, and the other side is being cleaned up. And after cleaning it up, we'll wash it and then we'll give it a primer, so then it will be easier to work on it and the base will be preserved as well. So be with us guys and let me show you how it's done. So as you can see, the rust has been building up on it a lot. It's not that it's been standing for so long. This place is very rusty. We living here in Pakistan, in Faisalabad, the place is very rusty. The rust here builds up very fast. So you can see it seems like this piece is unusable, but it's not like that. It's just rust is building up on it pretty fast. So what we are going to do is when we remove the rust, the sheet metal actually beneath is in a nice condition. It's not that bad. You can see it's all fine. Just the rust makes it look so bad that it looks like that it's unusable and it's just scrapped up, but it's not like that. Let me show you the other side. We have finished this side up, so here you can see it looks clean. When it will be painted, it will look nice and better. We have to do the interior yet. You can see the interior has also been rusted up, but when we'll clean it up and we'll give it the paint job, it will look just awesome. So that's a tough job for today. We are up to it, and also cleaned up the vehicle and let me show you around. So as you can see, all the rust has been removed. This is just a bare metal. It's looking like rust, but it's not rust. And let me show you the roof as well. The roof was very dirty. Now it's been cleaned up, and the sides as well. The back has been cleaned up, and now we are gonna start the paint. So the final look of the cab of the Fj40. So we have completed it up. We completed it basically two-tone in silver and black, so you can see it looks very better than before, and the roof has gone cleaner, much cleaner than before. And we have also painted the chassis as well, so you can see the chassis is all neat and clean now. The back of the vehicle is neat. Let me show you the other side as well. So here you go guys.